Assalamualaikum
Yes.
Eyang.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We
Ya,
are grade 5 Eyang. Ini teman-temannya Kak Nadine. Terima kasih banyak sudah meluangkan waktunya hari ini di sela-sela kesibukan Eyang di sana.
ya.
Saya Miss Aini hari ini akan bersamai anak bersama Eyang untuk mendengarkan cerita tentang masa-masa kolonialisme dulu begitu ya.
Boleh.
Sebelum dimulai maybe anak-anak is so excited ya.
Ayo.
Jadi udah dari kemarin nunggu-nunggu. Ini pengen ketemu sama uh, our guest speaker gitu. Ingin bertemu dengan Eyang hari ini ya.
Iya.
So tak kenal maka tak sayang. Jadi kita kenalan dulu sama Eyang ya, teman-teman ya
Iya.
di sini.
Iya.
Oke, I will try to spotlight.
Eyang who? Where is he? Oh, there.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, assalamualaikum. Okay, class. Miss Aini is going to show about his profile first. So, Eyang mohon izin kita akan paparkan profilnya Eyang dulu, baru nanti kita masuk ke materinya aja. So your mom actually who did it? You tell her your brother did it. Okay. Is it true or lie? No, true. Is it true or lie? Lie, of course. Your mom. Okay. Okay, class. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So today's discussion is about Japan colonialism in Indonesia, and we will have a sharing session with Profesor Dr. Sunarto Sastrowiyoto, spesialis THT yang sudah hadir pada hari ini, and later we will have Bapak Raden Sunyoto also ya. So we are going to have him after this. Okay, and let me introduce him in a glance first. His name is Profesor Dr. Sunarto Sastrowiyoto, Specialist THT. His address is at Jalan Sendok 135, City 8, Karanggayam, Depok, Sleman, Yogyakarta. And he was born in Klaten at 19 July 1939, and now his office is in the ear and nose and throat department, surgical teaching hospital ya. So he is a lecturer at Medicine University of Gajah Mada, and also in medical education department Sekip Utara, Yogyakarta, and also at Center of Biotechnic and Medical Humanity at Sekip Utara. Okay, so welcome Eyang hari ini. Mohon maaf ini kita berbahasanya pakai bahasa Indonesia atau Inggris ya Eyang?
Campur
aja. Oke ya, karena Eyang ini Eyangnya Nadine itu lulusan dari luar negeri juga ya, banyak pernah di Harvard juga ya Eyang ya.
Wow.
Masya Allah sekali.
Mantap.
Iya, jadi beliau profesor anak-anak, jadi beliau cukup sangat berpendidikan, yang tentunya juga bisa bersama kita hari ini, dan kita sangat menanti-nantikan pengalaman dan cerita dari Eyang pada hari ini. Iya, nanti if you have any questions, class, you may raise hand ya, okay?
Oh, pengen dengar.
Ya, pengen dengar. You may raise hand and then you may mute first when Eyang Sunarto, can we call, bisa kita panggil Eyang Sunarto begitu?
Ya, bisa.
Oh iya.
Ya. Sangat senang.
Ya, nanti ketika Eyang Sunarto sedang bercerita, you may mute first, and if you have any question, you may raise hand in the Zoom. Okay, class? Okay, so to to use the time wisely, we are going to welcome to Professor Dr. Sunarto. Please, the time is yours, Professor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your invite me and tell a story about history of Japanese colonization in Asia Pacific, included Indonesia. Why Indonesia here has a vote? Because at the time it's not Indonesian negara Indonesia, tetapi masih jajahan. Mana ini ya? Ya. Okay. The beginning of 1940, the World War II, the Netherlands, Belanda, occupied by Nazi Germany. So Germany occupied the Netherlands. And on 1941, Japan quest the Southeast Asia. The Dutch army defeated by the Japanese. And in 1942, Sukarno accepted Japan's offer to suit Japanese need. And in 1943, Japan occupation of Indonesia this is the opportunity we know what is Japanese people or army doing such of negative activities in Indonesia. Not positive, but really negative. The people, both Indonesian and Dutch, were captured by the Japanese. Let's say in this case, sex slavery, confinement, and death sentence. Next. So the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, destroying 180 American fighter planes, killing 2,330 American soldiers, and injuring 1,140 others. So you can remind here how really Japanese bomb in Pearl Harbor, even could American fighter really destroyed. So that is, Japan is really very strong in his army activities. So the US Congress, itu DPR-nya Amerika, declare wars against Japan. Menyatakan betul-betul harus perang dengan Jepang. This Pacific War greatly influenced independence in Asia and East Asia countries, including Indonesia. Japan's goal to attack the Dutch is to take control of Indonesian natural resources. Itu anak-anak, Jepang itu mau menghabiskan Belanda, bukan akan memerdekakan Indonesia, tetapi Jepang ingin menguasai kekayaan Indonesia dari emas, hutan, kemudian sumber-sumber yang lain yang betul-betul Indonesia itu sampai sekarang memang terkenal negara yang kaya. Java was designed to be a supply hub for military operation in Southeast Asia and Sumatra as the main crude oil source. Jadi minyak-minyak yang ada di tambang-tambang, termasuk minyak dalam hal ini, akan dimanfaatkan. Waktu itu kebetulan belum ada tambang emas di Irian, jadi belum tahu itu. Belum lama Irian Itu walaupun sekarang sudah puluhan tahun, ya, itu yang bisa boleh saya katakan satu hal yang secara singkat tambang emas di Papua itu saya pernah diajak bicara kunjungan ke sana. Pertanyaannya sederhana. How many dollars the income of this gold mining? I don't know. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. Akhirnya mereka mengatakan bisa mengagetkan Anda juga mungkin. Only 5,000 US dollar. 5,000 US dollar. But, it's true? Yeah. But finally, I asked him always, no. 5,000 US dollar per cassette, per menit. No.
Wow.
Per detik. No. Per detik. Jadi siap hitungan itu sekian juta. Bisa dibayangkan. It's okay. We continue the story.
Oke. Oke,
It is
Eyang.
really for your experience then.
Wow.
Next, Mbak. The Dutch captured Tamrin, Douwe Dekker, and other national figures. Tamrin is a PT, died in a captive, while Douwe Dekker was exiled to Suriname. And that is the quality of Dutch. What is that? Sikap, yeah, to our Douwe Dekker is the Dutch. What is really the mind and the thinking is an Indonesian as an Indonesian. The greatest East Asia co-prospectory sphere is rejected by Van Mook at the time, and Japan gave an ultimatum to the Dutch to gain more influence in the area. Negotiation between the Dutch and Japanese failed. This is why it failed, because Dutch would like to have Indonesia because so many dollars they can get it. And the other one is also another failed because, so many things. Strategic product of oil, rubber, carrot were dominated by Britain and the US. So at the time, Paul Strat established the Indonesian military sebenarnya. Okay, next. So Japan established a protectorate for Indonesia. Protectorate, it should be in code of question. Really question. Wah, kenapa to be perfect? Japan said in the Dutch East Indies were frozen. Conference about Indonesia after the war. So the Dutch Navy in the Dutch East Indies was mobilized. The Dutch asked Australia to send their troops to Ambon and Timor. So this collaboration between Dutch and Australia is also there. And Japanese attacked Malaysia, Thailand, and Philippines. To the Dutch and other nations declared that against Japan. Britain fleet, the Prince of Wales, that is kapal perang, was sunk war against Japan. Next.
Eyang, I'm sorry. Can I ask something? Wait, is it freezing?
Malaysia, tapi
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
Lagi.
It's a
Oh,
Wi-Fi.
it.
Bad Wi-Fi.
oh my god, hello.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I think Eyang got disconnected. Oh,
Disconnected.
Yes.
he's already here again.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, here. Okay.
It's
The
okay,
Wi-Fi.
Eyang.
Eyang's
It's
Wi-Fi is
okay.
bad. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
Yes.
Hmm?
Okay,
You
He's
can't hear us if
it's
you're
connected
audio. He's not connected.
Oh,
Okay, there we
now.
go. Now he's
Already.
connected to the audio.
Is already?
He can
Yeah,
hear
Eyang,
us.
we can hear you
Yes.
again.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we can continue then.
Okay.
Now, so you can see that Australian troops also landed in Timor. The Portuguese protested. Portuguese protested because Portuguese there occupied Timor. Japan landed in the Philippines and executed an airstrike. Japanese troops landed in the Philippines and Hatta wrote a newspaper. Hatta is our vice president afterward. Muhammad Hatta wrote a newspaper article calling for Indonesian people to go to war against Japan. And Japan attacked the Britain in Kuching, in Sarawak, to Kalimantan. But, next, yeah. So here, Japan attacked Manila. Japan seized Sabah. Japan attacked Ambon and seized Brunei. Japan invaded Indonesia, Kalimantan, Sulawesi. Japan seized Taiwan. So Japan is really would like to have Asia Timur, Asia Timur Raya, what we call it at that time. So Japan sent Manado. Aceh agent came back from Malaysia when the promise to go against Japan. Japan seized Balikpapan, counteract by the Dutch and the US. So that is the strong of the Japan is really very, very good. But even US, Dutch, Australia, and the other countries is also get together to attack Japan. Next. Here, Japan attack Ambon. CNIL is the military combined of Indonesian people and Japanese people. So, and Australia destroyed Japanese troops so that they wouldn't fall into Japan's hand. Yeah? The battle continued until February 42. 90% of the Australian troops became victims, killed and held captive. And Britain troops were executed for Malaysia and Singapore. Japan continued doing similar before. And here, in 43, Amir Sarifuddin was captured and given the death sentence due to his resistance movement against Japan. And political organization appeared. Pusat Tenaga Rakyat, Soekarno as a leader, and Muhammad Hatta and Ki Hajar Dewantara as a member. That is the first Soekarno lead in this case in developing Pusat Tenaga Rakyat. Peta Pembela Tanah Air was established. Its members including General Sudirman and General Suharto, who went on to become Indonesian president for 5 term. Itu Pak Suharto itu gak lama memang. Soekarno and Hatta, accompanied by Kiai Bagus Hadikusumo, went to Tokyo to meet Japan's Kaisar. This was their first time going abroad, except for Hatta, who studied in the Netherlands until finishing doctorandus. The Japanese military made huge mistake to Indonesia. the first forced labor. Indonesian men were forced to leave their families, deployed all the way to Burma, forces heavy labor. Thousands were killed or made disappear. It is number one. The mistake number two from Japanese people, forced taking. The Japanese troop took all type of things from Indonesian family by force without giving any compensation. So that is really very, very bad for our people in Indonesia, especially in Java at that time. And number three, forced slavery. Indonesian women were forced to be kind of sex workers for the Japanese troop. That is also really bad in something like crazy. As a crazy people. Next. So Spain still tried to attack those troops who tried to hold out, even though they have already lost. The US and Australians still help Indonesians to fight off Japan. That is the condition of the history of the world, that some countries support other countries and then fighting is really confusing. So the next, Sukarno and Hatta in 1945 traveled all over Indonesia to explain about the Pancasila. So Pancasila is started in 45, and we as an Indonesian people, especially the young, you all dears, Pancasila is really very important doctrine. The doctrine which up until now still need to be maintained as a philosophy of Indonesia. It is a short story for me that someday Pak Narto was one of the, and Bu Yanti at that time, go to Paris, invited by the UNESCO in supporting the development of the principle of bioethics for training to medical doctor at that time. And this professor from the Dutch and moved to America, and from America make a note to me and Sunarto, US Pancasila. So that's why I hope that you can develop something related to Pancasila, related to ethics. Jadi that is really very helpful, and then we develop it that this concept has been published in the global textbook of bioethics, chapter Indonesia. So that is one of our philosophers in Indonesia read by another countries. Some of the other figures that rose during the time was Supomo and Muhammad Yamin. So in July 1945, the US still launches an attack in Sabang. Next. The period approaching independence. 6 August 45, 2 atomic bombs were dropped in the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by US. This moment was utilized by Indonesia to prepare for declaration of independence on 17 August 45. So that is the opportunity when Hiroshima and Nagasaki was dropped by atomic bomb. That is really mengerikan. What is in English? Mengerikan.
Scary.
Scary.
Really scary.
Dangerous.
Scary.
Very, very scary.
And dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous, but very scary also. The figure involved Soekarno, Hatta, Rajiman, Widjoningrat, Sultan Syahrir was posted Soekarno to declare Indonesian independence as soon as possible. And finally, in 17 August 45, Soekarno declared this independence of Indonesia. Next. So Karl Saleh, in the time, 16 August 45, in Rangkas Diklat incident, convinced that Soekarno and Hatta to return to Jakarta because Japan has surrendered. Itu memberitakan bahwa Jepang sudah menyerah, jadi Soekarno segera harus menyiapkan itu kemerdekaan. So the independent proclamation took place at Jalan Pegangsaan Timur, number 66, yeah, on 17 August of 45. That is the history and started negara kita Republik Indonesia dengan wakil W.R. Supratman create menciptakan lagu Indonesia Raya. Itu pahlawan juga ini.
Ya, Mr. W.R. Supratman.
Ya, ya, itu sejarah seperti ini saya kira is very important to all of us. If for me, is still learn about that, especially our young generation, anak-anakku yang cantik-cantik dan ini malah bukan anak lah, cucu saya ya. Aku lupa merasa masih muda. Nadine itu cucu ya, iya.
Iya ya. Mana ini Kak Nadine-nya nih?
Aduh, maaf. Ya. Masih ada lagi? Jadi itu Presiden Soekarno send the first radio message to whole country of Indonesia in 21 August 45. The constitutional plan was prepared by PPKI, Panitia Pendidikan Indonesia itu, which was already announced in 18 August 45. Which was then made into an Undang-Undang Dasar 45. Soekarno as a president and Muhammad Hatta as a vice president. And the first presidential cabinet who started working in 33 August of 45. Is that it? It's finished, I think.
Oh,
that is
okay.
The short story Japanese.
Cool.
Yeah, to Indonesia. Yeah. If any question, I hope I can answer the question. But if I don't know what is really the question, let us learn together.
Okay.
Even me, I would like to learn that. Okay, Dia?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Eyang Sunarto, for a great explanation. Yeah, of course, all of the students here is really excited with the story, Eyang. Yes. Yeah. And even from the start, some of them has already start to raise hand. Udah pengen tanya, udah pengen nunggu-nunggu kapan kesempatannya ya.
Terus si James malah angkat tangan.
Eyang, mohon maaf, we only have time until 9:30, or do you have more time? Maybe how many spare time you can give to us?
Yeah, it's up to the children.
Yeah, because we afraid that many of them.
Oh, grandchildren, yeah, I am sorry, dear.
Yeah, they are so excited. So, class, you may prepare your questions. Yeah, maybe we can hear more about the story when Eyang Sunarto when he was young. It was so excited. Mungkin Eyang pernah ada cerita waktu masih muda, Eyang, mungkin sebelum ke pertanyaan.
Here. Yeah, Bu Yanti is also here. Eyang Yanti, not Bu Yanti.
Oh.
It's also
Eyang
yeah.
Yati.
Hello,
Halo,
ya,
Eyang.
hello, anak-anak, halo, cucu-cucu. Ya. Sampai sekarang, up until now, Eyang Narto and Eyang Yati still pacaran.
Wow,
Ah,
so sweet.
asik, asik. Ya, itu
Iya.
Bu Yati menjawab, asik. Ya.
Semakin hangat ya Eyang ya.
Ya.
Nikmatilah masa-masa tua.
Wah, aduh. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Oke.
Ya, oke. Eyang
Iya.
ada pertanyaan dari salah satu
Si
siswa di
Javas
sini.
tuh.
Maybe for Javas. Oke, Javas, what do you want to
Okay.
ask? You may
So my
introduce
question.
yourself first.
Okay, hello, my name is Javas, and I have a question. Why? Wait. After the call, after the independence, is there any parts that Indonesia hasn't conquered?
After independence.
After independence, is there any parts that Indonesia haven't conquered that still that is not?
Oh,
Is
iya,
there
iya.
any parts?
And the time I think is not conquered by the other countries, but even in Indonesia, a group of small people would like to build independence by them. So that is not easy to tell here that a group of people outside Java would like to be also as independent countries. Yeah, countries, even if it's small. But finally, it could be alhamdulillah ya, Bu Yati bilang, Eyang Yati bilang alhamdulillah bahwa that is fine until now. It's not because sometimes Irian is a very very kaya.
Rich.
Kaya, what is it? Kaya?
Rich
Very rich. It's various kinds of product. As hutan, emas, even forest and gold. And gold. Gold mining is a really big one, what I have said to you. So they would like to be as one country, to be merdeka, to be free from Indonesia. That is the answer. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
But now it's
Welcome.
really no.
Okay,
It's
thank
okay.
you.
Could be covered.
Question.
I have a
So,
question
wow,
too.
we have some questions, Eyang.
I have a question too.
Okay, maybe Vito, you may ask the questions.
Okay. Are Eyang join the World War II?
Oh,
Apakah Eyang pernah ikut
Salah.
World War?
Salah.
And that
No.
time,
Six.
not the World War, afterward, after World War II, the Dutch is still would like to have to colonize Indonesia. That is a small, what is that, conflict. And at that time, Eyang Narto is really wong diso ya, cah diso. In area of Klaten. So at that time in our desa,
Village.
a group of Indonesian military, chaired by Colonel Slamet Riyadi. Maybe you know that in Solo is the big road there, Jalan
Yeah.
Slamet Riyadi. Yeah, is really a hero. That at the time, our family, Ibu, my mother is always goreng ayam, fried rice,
Lapar.
chicken,
Ayam.
ayam, yeah,
Yes, ayam.
goreng.
Ayam.
I bring this one to the group of the military, so I know at that time, hand tangan, and shaking hand, second hand with Colonel Slamet Riyadi. Ooh, I don't know at that time. Yeah,
Wow.
I don't know at that time.
Wow.
You were shaking hand with the heroes.
Yeah, sure.
Eyang.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh my
Cool.
goodness.
Oh my
And-
god.
and now I am also as a hero.
Yeah, of course.
Cool.
Bravo, bravo,
The hero of
bravo.
education in
What
medical.
I mean,
ya.
Cool.
what I mean, and hero in the tanda petik, ya, hero. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
hero.
hero, yeah. So developing various kind of concept related to our country. Is that the concept of medical education or is that concept of bioetica, ethics? Yeah, that is. I think that is very important. Hero is not only fighting with the military.
Hero also help military.
Yeah.
Yeah, hero with
So,
brain and with mind.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yes, okay, deal.
Oke ya, Victor ya. So, dulu Prof. Sunarto waktu masih masa Jepang itu berarti masih muda sekali ya, Prof ya. Mungkin
Iya.
seumuran kalian
Jadi nggak
ini
ikut perang
anak-anak.
No.
Ikut menyaksikan ya, ikut menyaksikan
Oh.
beliau,
Gue di udara.
turut menyaksikan.
Iya.
So,
Wait.
be one of the
Wes mau
people.
disebut kok.
Ya.
Iya. Yep.
Wow.
Oh ya, banyak sekali yang pertanyaannya ini anak-anak sangat tertarik.
Ya bisa tertulis saja.
Oke,
Tertulis.
boleh.
Oke.
Coba one more
Tertulis
ya.
nanti dikirim.
Sultan.
Nanti yang
Sultan.
lain boleh di chat
please.
box, oke? The other you may write in the chat box. I will open it for everyone.
Sultan is
Okay.
very excited because Sultan is what's it? Because Sultan maybe is a big fan.
Ya,
Yes.
he's a big fan of history of Indonesia.
Yes.
Eyang. Sultan sangat menyukai cerita tentang
Can
history
see
of
that.
Indonesia,
Oh.
and even he like to tell us how is it.
No.
Jadi hari ini sangat menunggu-nunggu. Cita-citanya jadi apa, Sultan? Boleh diceritakan mungkin sama Eyang?
Ya, oke.
Cerita.
Iya.
Ano, cita-cita. Ya, your
Cita-cita.
Kita is to be
Cita-cita. What would you like to be?
TNI AD.
Oh.
Angkatan
Wah.
darat. Oke.
Masya Allah ya.
It's okay. Good. It's very
That's
great.
good.
Yeah.
Oke.
My Pakde is AU.
Wah.
Yeah.
My uncle is AL. My uncle is AL.
Okay, maybe your question
This,
first,
the
Sultan.
same,
my
the same
question.
with, yeah, this is with me. My father is guru SD. Saya guru Gajah Mada.
Wah.
Bapak menjadi
That's great.
kepala sekolah, saya menjadi dekan Fakultas Kedokteran. Nah,
Wah,
Jadi
itu.
kepala
Masya
sekolah.
Allah.
Mantap.
Mantap.
Mantap, Eyang.
Mantap.
Di pendidikan
Jadi kerjaannya
semua ya.
cuman liatin anak-anak gitu di CCTV gitu.
Oh, ya bukan anak-anak lagi kalau mahasiswa.
Okay,
Ya.
maybe question from Sultan is the last ya, because Eyang nanti
Ya, ya.
ada
Ya, ada yang
aktivitas
lain, Pak.
berikutnya ya.
Presentasi lain.
Jadi
Oke.
Sultan you may ask and the other may write it in the chat box, okay?
Ya.
Is there any conflict after the independence? Like, is there any conflict like PKI or something?
Oh iya. Itu PKI berontak waktu itu juga ingin. Ya, it's really very serious. It's really very serious. At that time, I remember that even the student Gajah Mada, there's a group with background politics. Yeah. Let's say from PKI, there's CGMI, Konsentrasi Mahasiswa Indonesia. Ada, ya, that is. Ada juga GMNI, ya, Gerakan Nasional Mahasiswa Indonesia. Nah, ada HMI,
Gerakannya
Himpunan
kayak apa?
Mahasiswa Islam. Hah?
Gerakannya kayak apa?
Gerakannya kayak gitu.
Gerakannya macam-macam. Oh iya, itu gerakan itu maaf, itu gerakan kera. Lucu gerakannya seperti gerakan kera. I'm sorry, dear. Joking.
Yeah, just joking.
Ya.
Iya, mungkin Eyang dulu ikut merasakan juga ya waktu pemberontakan PKI itu, apakah memang semenyeramkan yang dicerita-cerita gitu, Eyang?
Oh, banyak ceritanya.
Ini bisa
Panjang ceritanya.
berjilid-jilid ya, Eyang ya?
Panjang nggak
Betul,
ceritanya?
Iya, toh nyawa. Tetapi buat yang Kakung dan yang Putri ada cerita lain. Boleh tak saya cerita nih?
Boleh,
Ya.
Eyang, boleh banget.
Itu satu ketika pada waktu yang iya in English.
Gak apa-apa, Eyang, bahasa juga boleh.
Lebih paham.
Indonesia boleh, oke, boleh.
Boleh, Eyang.
Indonesia.
Nah, waktu kita masih pacaran. Ya.
Belum pacaran.
Iya. Oke. Itu gini, dari Jogja mau pulang ke desa, ya, di Klaten, daerah Klaten itu namanya Desa Berajan. Pada saat itu cerita ini nanti ada kaitannya dengan gerakan Gestapo itu pada waktu gerakan panik.
Ada cerita ya? Ini cerita menyedihkan nggak?
Bruh.
Untuk rakyat sangat menyedihkan, tapi untuk Eyang Putri dan saya sangat menyenangkan. Karena apa? Karena pada waktu pulang itu hari hujan lagi. Jadi kendaraan itu masih pada waktu itu masih sepi. Hanya sampai di Klaten Ngandong. Andong, tahu tuh Andong?
Enggak.
Udah.
Enggak.
Enggak.
Ya,
Andong,
Yang kuda-kuda itu.
andong kereta kuda yang
yang ditarik kuda.
iya.
Oh, Andong.
Nah, itu
iya.
Andong.
Odong-odong.
Kemudian hanya sampai di satu kota namanya Jatinom. Itu sudah habis. Tidak mau ngantar ke desa saya. Jadi jalan kira-kira 1 jam ya, Bu ya. Ya, Yang ya. Bergandeng tangan.
So sweet.
1 jam.
Aduh.
Ternyata apa? Kita lewat satu desa yang di
Keliling.
situ lewat satu
lewat.
desa yang di situ ternyata tinggal atau rumah tinggal seseorang, ternyata itu ketua PKI cabang Klaten.
Tuanya toh?
Iya itu untung nggak tahu itu.
Itu kayak Pak RT gitu.
Ketua cabang itu tinggi itu.
Nah, itu
Tinggi
Tinggi
lagi
daripada
gitu.
kabupaten.
ketua RT, tapi ketua
Iya,
PKI.
kabupaten. Ya, ini kira ada cerita seperti itulah. Jadi mengapa tadi yang tadi, ya. Jadi dengan
Ini-
demikian memang ya itulah kondisi Indonesia yang pada waktu itu belum stabil. It's not just stable.
Tahun berapa kira-kira?
Tahun
Sekarang
berapa?
udah
Tahun berapa?
2022. Dari 1939 ditambah
Itu kira-kira tahun
jadi-
1905.
1950.
65 66 itu pemberontakan PK itu 65 66.
Iya,
Iya.
pernah dengar.
Sekarang Eyang
Itu.
umurnya berapa?
Eyang Putri itu ngacung kalau Eyang Putri itu sering Pak Sarwo Edi. Ya. Lupa. Militernya mahasiswa ada waktu.
Oh, waktu itu Eyang Putri ikut itu.
Itu juga.
Wah, Masya Allah, aktivis ya. Anggota
Aktivis.
militer wanita loh. Ini Eyang
Wow.
Putrinya Nadir.
Menwa namanya
Wah, luar
Menwa.
biasa. Menwa ya, Menwa.
Ya itu.
Resimen mahasiswa.
Nah, itu. Jadi yang Kakung itu berapa ya? Berbahagia banget ternyata. Yang Putri ya bisa pernah menjadi tentara.
Iya,
Bisa
luar
melindungi yang.
biasa.
Ya. Nah, ya, itu memang kalau cerita banyak banget nanti.
Iya ini ya.
Ceritanya masih
Pasti.
panjang nggak?
Panjang
Iya,
banget.
masih.
Iya,
Ini bisa 1 hari 1 malam kita bersama Eyang kalau diceritakan semua.
Sampai
ini
tidur juga,
ini-
sampai tengah malam juga.
yang sudah menulis satu autobiografi, baru mulai menulis.
Wow.
Autobiografi itu riwayat hidup seseorang ya, autobiografi pribadi yang ditulis oleh saya sendiri.
Wow.
Bukan
Wow.
biografi tetapi
Wow.
autobiografi namanya.
Mau dirilis Eyang ini? Siapa tahu
Ya.
anak-anak penasaran.
Ya, nanti someday.
Someday ya.
Ya.
Okay, so what is it? You may see when Eyang Sunarto release the book or something. Yeah, you may
Wow.
his story. He has a lot of story. Ya, pastinya banyak dan kayaknya nggak cukup ya yang waktunya kalau kita jabarkan di sini dan sebenarnya saya pun juga banyak pertanyaan ini. Iya. Dan masih ada yang pengen tanya. Gimana ya?
Aku juga pengen sih satu lagi.
Mungkin yang udah Vito udah kan ya tadi ya. So
yang belum.
Satu
sabar.
terakhir mungkin boleh?
Sabar.
So ini Valerie mungkin ya, nanti masih ada satu Eyang lagi ya. Jadi kita kasih kesempatan terakhir untuk Valerie. Setelah itu Eyang juga ada aktivitas lainnya, jadi kita harus dengan berat hati ini ya. Oke. Valerie please share.
Biasanya tuh tentaranya pada umurnya berapa pas ikut perangnya?
Umurnya?
Untuk kelasnya.
Ya, dewasa biasanya. Yang anak-anak ya belum ada. Kalau anak-anak mendaftar ya belum boleh. Itu nanti pertimbangannya kan banyak banget. Saya saja kepingin jadi tentara, dokter tentara. Kalau tes tidak pernah lulus sudah 2 kali. Karena memang tidak cocok. Ya. Terlalu banyak. Kalau ditanya kadang-kadang malah balik bertanya, ya tidak boleh. Kalau tentara masa diperintah terus malah ganti perintah.
Iya.
Itu kira-kira.
Iya, oke.
Ya gitu.
Disuruh
Ya.
perintah secara target, bukan secara target.
Oke, thank you. Is that all,
Target
Valerie?
unlock.
Ya.
Sudah ya. Oke.
Iya.
Okay, thank you for the last question, and we would like to say thank you to Eyang Sunarto today for having us in your agenda this morning, Eyang. So we'd like to say thank you, and we'd like to say sorry if we have some words that are not good enough in your heart. And terima kasih banyak sudah meluangkan waktunya, Eyang. Sebenarnya kita masih punya banyak pertanyaan dan jujur ingin mengulik lebih lanjut lagi, tapi mungkin di kesempatan yang lain ya.
Iya.
Okay.
Ya,
So,
nanti kita bertemu yang akan datang ya,
insya Allah
kapan-kapan.
Eyang.
Dapat
Ya.
tahu lagi.
Hmm.
Oke, terima kasih banyak Eyang. Mungkin
Ya,
setelah ini
kembali.
Eyang
Saya
bisa
juga terima
melanjutkan
kasih.
aktivitasnya.
Saya sangat berbahagia berhadapan dengan anak-anak atau cucu-cucu
Yeah.
yang begitu
Yeah.
aktivitasnya tinggi, pertanyaannya bagus-bagus. Jadi dengan demikian ini harus diteruskan. Cerita-cerita ini tidak harus mengundang Eyang, tapi bisa mengundang yang lain. Itu kalau termasuk dalam satu rutinitas dari Al-Azhar, saya kira itu satu yang sangat positif.
Ya,
Terima
terima
kasih.
kasih banyak Eyang.
Ya.
Terima kasih atas waktunya.
Wassalam. Ayo,
Ya.
sampai ketemu lagi.
Terima kasih banyak.
Waalaikumsalam. Terima kasih banyak Eyang.
Dadah.
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 Oh
Ketemu
iya,
lagi.
oke. Oke.